Welcome to Child Australia Wulagi Outside School Hours Care. At Child Australia Wulagi OSHC, we're committed to creating a welcoming, safe and inclusive environment where all children are supported to grow, thrive and reach their full potential. Come inside and let us show you around. Step inside and you'll find 2 dedicated rooms, each set up for different kinds of play. One room's buzzing with card games, blocks and a drawing table. Others are quieter space, perfect for curling up with a book or diving into imaginative pretend play. We also encourage children to use our outdoor area for ball games, laughter and all the energy little ones bring after a day at school. Healthy food is also an important part of our day. We provide nutritious afternoon tea each day, giving children the energy they need after school while encouraging healthy eating habits. At Child Australia, we're proud to be a not-for-profit organisation. That means every decision we make is guided by what's best for children, families, and our community. We'd love to welcome your family to Child Australia Wulagi OSHC. Come and meet our team. We look forward to seeing you soon.